how to make money on people per hour as a social media manager. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, people per hour is a platform where you can see your own skills and where you can show your skill for other people to come for buying it. So for example, let's go for technology and programming, and here as you can see we have a lot of categories, and under these categories we have a lot of skills, for example like programming and coding, software testing, mobile app development, email template development, CMS development. So for example, let's check programming and coding. So here this is some people that are showing their skills and the prices of their skills. For this man, for example, he creates landing page and websites by HTML and CSS and JavaScript, and he gets paid $15 per hour, I guess. And he delivered in one day. So this is examples of the skills that people are selling in this platform. So let's go back to show you how you can be just like one of these freelancers. So here, go to your top right, click on the freelancer button in here, and then click on I want to work as a freelancer. Then click on sign up with email, and here you fill the usual information, your first name, last name, email, and password. Then you click on sign up. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account. So here I'm going to enter my email and my password as well. And then click on login. And here you're almost ready to start selling. Please complete your application in order to join our community of the highest quality freelancers online. A solid application proves to us that you're serious about selling and gives our buyers confidence that you're a great fit for their needs. So here, apply now. And here you can drop your profile picture. First, complete your profile to join our global community of freelancers and start selling your services to our growing network of businesses. So here, drop your profile picture. As you can see, drop file here or browse to add. And here, you add your job title, for example, an award-winning web developer, or you can just enter social media manager. And here you can add your skills, and the maximum amount of skills you can add is 15. So make sure to use these 15 skills wisely. Make sure to choose your skills wisely. So here let's start with social media management and social media strategy, social media marketing, writing, design, optimization. Let's go to social media optimization, social media marketing as well, and social media writing and design, which is the last one we're going to add, social media design. And that's it. And here, this is the describe yourself to buyers field. So guys, in order to enter a decent bio or a decent description for yourself, you'll just go to these categories and search for your skill, and we're going to check to see our competitors, see the ones that are doing the same skill like the one we're doing, and then we're going to see the description and get some inspiration from their descriptions. So here we have social media strategy, monitoring, bookmarking, marketing, management, marketing. So let's go with all social media services. Open link in a new tab, and here you have YouTube subscribers, manage one social media account. So you can check this one. Let's check this one. So her name is Bridget D, and she's a top 30 in the platform. She's ranked between 0.5% people of people per hour. So here let's check her description. So this is a very good description. It's well organized and it has some paragraphs, and here she starts with a question, and that's very catchy for clients. Are you ready to take your brand and online presence to new heights? Hey, I'm Bridget, a UK-based professional here to offer my expertise with extensive experience in various industries such as e-commerce, financial services, health and beauty, and education. I am well prepared to tackle any challenge. What sets me apart, however, is my commitment to understanding your specific business needs. So here, the social media management, copywriting, graphic design, and that's all the skills that she has. So this is a very decent description, but there is no harm in checking other descriptions just to get the idea about descriptions in here, and hopefully we can find some inspiration. Let's check this one. Let's check this woman, which is social buzzing. PeoplePerHour's top seller for the last 8 years. Over 10 grand hourlies sold. We are still the original and most experienced SEO marketing specialists on PeoplePerHour. So this is an agency, I think, and this is a very long description. That's something we don't want to do. Let's check another description, which will be the last one. Let's check this one. Let's check this one and let's see. So this one is a very good description. So I think you get the idea, guys. Once you get the inspiration, come and try to create your own description. Then you enter your location, the languages that you can speak, and your hourly rate. And here I advise you to change the currency to the United States dollar, and then click on submit application. And once it's approved, you'll get an email of approval. And that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.